So dear student, I am Dr. Naveen Kumar MP, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government Science College, Chitradurga. Our college comes under in Davangere University. Now today I am going to teach you a part of calculus, that is integral theorem. So one of the integral theorem is a Green's theorem. Now we will see the proof of this integral theorem. Before that, first we will see the statement. The statement of the Green's theorem is if p, x comma y and q x comma y be two continuous function having continuous partial derivative in a region R of the xy plane bounded by a simple closed curve C, then we get a mathematical form of the equation. A line integral is equal to surface integral, that is a integral p dx plus q dy is equal to a double integral, that is surface integral dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y into dx into dy. So proof of this theorem. So let's consider geometrical view of the theorem. So here is closed curve C, so bounded by a region R. Okay, so the region R will consider a surface, and a region is divided into two parts, that is C1 and C2. Consider the region R in the xy plane bounded by a single closed curve C, such that any line drawn parallel to either coordinate axis meets the boundary C at most 2 points. Okay. Let region R be bounded between the lines. There are 4 lines. Okay, x is equal to A and x is equal to B, and 2 more lines parallel to y axis, y is equal to C and y is equal to D. Okay, now this is the region. So this region is divided into two parts, C1 and C2. That C1 comes in APB and C2 comes BQA region. Let the equation of that particular region taken as xy is equal to f1x and y is equal to f2y respectively. Now, so we will take one of the region, that is two parts of C1 and C2. Okay, it can be written in terms of surface integral. Okay, that is dou p by dou y into dx into dy. So double integral. Okay, so now we solve by using substituting the limits for a given equation and simplify, and finally we will get the equation in the form of dou the line integral p dx is equal to double integral dou p by dou y into dx into dy. Let's consider this is equation number 1. Now we will solve a second equation. Okay, for that we will consider the same region in other sides, that is assume that the curve is made up of two curves QAP and PBQ. Okay, so this is QAP and PBQ, and denoted by C1 and C2, and we will take an equation in the form of x g1y and x g2y respectively, and that can be written in terms of the equation. Okay, double integral surface integral dou q by dou x into dx into dy, and this is the limits we are going to use for the particular region. Okay, if you solve this equation, so we will get the equation number 2 in the form of q into dy into double integral of dou q by dou x into dx into dy. So this is the equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, if you add the equation 1 and 2, we get one equation in the form of a line integral p dx into q dy equal to double integral dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y is into dx into dy. So this is the proof of the Green's theorem. Thank you.